My name is Caleb Trotter. I'm a freight operations specialist level 2, and I've been at Torc for a little over 3 years now. So as far as my role as a freight operations specialist, I'm mainly the second set of eyes for the driver, just making sure to look out for him and any external vehicles that might be acting inappropriately, as well as taking notes on vehicle truck performance and assisting engineers with deployment of trucks and software. So as far as taking notes for truck performance, we're just annotating each of these notes for bad and good performance. Bad performance being like steering jerks and weaves. And each of these annotated notes get put into separate buckets for the engineering team to look over. I've been in the trucking transportation industry for over 10 years. So being able to be a part of this has just been the best experience of my life. This is for sure the best job that I've ever had personally. Like, there's nothing like it. So being able to come out here and continue doing what we had planned to do in Albuquerque has just been a big thing for me.